Come on. Ito, ipapakita ko na sa inyo guys.
Maging baso.
Ang totoong may-ari ng phone.
Ang totoong may-ari.
Nag-switch kasi sila ng phone.
Ng phone, hindi kaya. I have my own phone. Ate Jazz, what are you trying to do? I will really say something dito ron.
Boy.
Sorry, just joking, guys.
Okay, what's your question? Anong question?
Mine daw.
Mine na daw si JP. Sige, inyo na po to. For free, huwag nyo nang bayaran.
I-pick up nyo na po.
Grabe.
Bro, magpakita ka. This is your life.
Para.
Where's Colette? Ate Colette is here po. They're making a TikTok.
Yung JP.
Kung kabawas of JF.
Alam, basa. Shock.
It's okay, you have a face.
Wait lang po ako.
Oh my God, you're so hard.
Basa eh.
Ay, sorry po. JP, tabi ako.
Ikaw, ulit. Nilitay ka siya. Kaya ate ka nila.
Say hi to JP.
Palit. You check first, brother.
Why is no one talking?
Speechless na sila.
No one's talking.
Let's go with this.
Are you using data? Kanino? It's this? How do you know that's it? Ceramic. So pretty. Thank you for...
Parang nagawa to.
Ano?
Ganun.
Sige, magtanong ka ba kayo?
Boss Michael, nagutan ko. Ha?
Ano ba nag-like? Ano sabihin?
Hi daw from London.
Hi po.